before we get going, you in there. So I need you to do something for me. First, get out of full screen. All right. You see down there the subscribe. I want you to click that. All right. Good. And then right next to it, there's a bell. You see the options? You press the bell. Press the bell. Okay. Pick all. You got it? Good. All right. Let's go full screen again. Hey guys, what's going on? So today I'm going to be reviewing the TB Performance Strut Tower Brace. So if you guys saw my last video, as you know, I installed the TB Performance Strut Tower Brace, and I went that route because it afforded me a little bit more functional space underneath the hood versus the massive performance brace, which worked in conjunction with the OEM brace. The TB Performance brace is adjustable. I would probably say to maybe a full inch or two, depending on how hard you want to crank on it. But besides that, the past, I want to say 3-4 weeks I've been driving the car, and especially when you get up into higher speeds, you can feel the difference in the way the nose and the power transfers through the steering system of the car. With the OEM strut brace, if the higher and the RPMs and the higher speeds that you tried to take corners and cut through turns, you had to be a little more strategic because it did have its limits. But with this, as you get up into higher speeds, you can definitely feel the power transferring to different parts of the suspension. My favorite part is as you're taking corners, the nose just kind of darts, and this very, and I mean minuscule turning radius when it comes time to point your nose at those corners. Like right now, even at the speed that I'm going, I feel like I'm kind of almost at track speeds. It's very it almost works. It kind of feels like it works in conjunction with the adaptive suspension. So as you guys know, the adaptive suspension, when you're in sport mode like what I'm in now, everything becomes that much more finer and more responsive. This strut tower brace increases that, I want to say, by like an extra 25 to 30% over the OEM strut brace. Whereas before, I would be able to get maybe about a 5-degree turn in before the nose really darted. Now, it's not even close. I probably get maybe, I would say it's at the very least, it's half that. I would say 2.5 to 2 degrees of steering wheel turn, and then the nose starts going. And that's just from hand feel without any gauges or anything measuring that. But if you guys are looking to upgrade your strut tower brace, TB Performance is definitely a good company to go with. They have other braces as well. One of them that I'm looking forward to doing is the undercarriage brace that goes directly behind the downpipe above the exhaust. So it's more of like a torsion bar. So I'm definitely looking to get into that. But the first thing I'm probably going to wind up doing is probably going to wind up being the rear strut tower brace to kind of help get some additional rigidity in the system. So I'm gonna leave that one off here real quick, real simple. And as always, wrench daily.